Are you looking to boost your business's customer service and enhance your image? Then you need a toll-free 1800 number for your business. Offers numerous benefits to your business, including increasing customer satisfaction, improving first-time resolution rates. Reliable service provider that offers competitive pricing, excellent customer support, scalable solutions, and user-friendly features. With a 1800 number for your business, you can handle multiple inquiries simultaneously, never miss a call and project. You can check the call rates for fixed, mobile, and payphone numbers from the subscription summary page or the active numbers page. A toll-free number can be a powerful marketing tool that can attract more leads and customers, increase brand awareness. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to get a 1800 number for your business. We hope you found it informative and useful. Callmama. Connecting people with loved ones.